Good day, students. Today, we will discuss the history of microbiology, the branch of science that studies microorganisms too small to be seen with the naked eye. The history of microbiology is a fascinating journey of discovery and innovation that has greatly influenced medicine, agriculture industry, and public health. Let us begin with Antonie van Leeuwenhoek. In 1676, he became the first person to observe and describe microorganisms using a simple microscope. Because of this achievement, he is often referred to as the father of microbiology. Next is Edward Jenner. In 1796, Jenner introduced the concept of vaccination by demonstrating that cowpox could protect people against smallpox. His work laid the foundation for modern immunization. In 1857, Louis Pasteur disproved the theory of spontaneous generation, proving that microorganisms come from existing microorganisms. He also developed pasteurization and contributed significantly to vaccine development. Joseph Lister, in 1867, introduced the use of antiseptics in surgery. His work helped reduce infections after surgical procedures and greatly improved patient outcomes. Another important scientist was Robert Koch. In 1882, he established Koch's Postulates, which provided a scientific method for linking specific microorganisms to specific diseases. He also identified the bacteria responsible for anthrax, tuberculosis, and cholera. In 1928, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, the world's first antibiotic. This discovery revolutionized medicine and marked the beginning of the antibiotic era. Today, we are in the modern era of microbiology. Advances in genetics, molecular biology, biotechnology, and microbiome research continue to expand our understanding of microorganisms and their impact on human life. The major contributions of microbiology include understanding the role of microorganisms in health and disease, the development of vaccines and antibiotics, improvements in sanitation and infection control, and advances in biotechnology, food production, and environmental protection. In summary, the history of microbiology demonstrates how scientific discoveries have transformed healthcare and society. The contributions of these pioneering scientists continue to influence modern science and medicine today. Thank you for listening.